my friends love to go to the zoo and see all of the animals. I know I do. It's so fun. So we're gonna learn about zoo animals this week. So my first animal is a tiger. What sound does a tiger make? Does he go roar? Can you give me your best roar? Good job. Next animal is an elephant. Do you know what noise an elephant makes? You have to get your long trunk, and go woo, woo. Can you do that? Good job, friends. All right, my next animal I have here is a monkey. What noise does a monkey make? Does he go ooh, ooh, ah, ah, and he climbs up the tree? Can you climb up the tree and swing in the tree? Good job, friends. All right, the next animal I have is a lion. Look at that lion. What noise does a lion make? Does he go roar? Can you give me your best roar like a lion? Good job, friends. All right, my next animal is a zebra. Zebras, they don't really make much noise, but what colors is my zebra? Is it black and white stripes? Yeah. All right. The last animal I have for you is a giraffe. So can you stand on your tippy toes? Stand on your tippy toes. Stretch out that neck like a giraffe. Reach your arms up super tall because giraffes are super tall, right? All right. Good job, friends. So I hope you liked learning about all of my zoo animals.